It's gonna challenge you now. Your Alaska sky is blue, like your Taliban. Who's gonna be stopping you now? Look myself good, I'm in this war zone, talking whenever you overnight. I wanna ask you this, would I deserve this? It's my generation's touch. Why do you want this world to down? Let it go and green, you wanna fade you red, white and gold. Why do you want this world to down? These stars and stripes I used to love Mario, nothing else. Keep talking, I won't believe. You know we're out so done. Tell us you're out of line. We're fighting side by side. I don't think that I'm not done. Yeah. Tell me about the talking. Tell me about the spoken. Tell me that I'm the master stroke you're shining. Yeah. Don't believe a word they say about the song and about you, lady. $1 is younger, $1 is short. Why do you want us put you down? I don't know you. Let it go that green. You wanna fade you red, white and blue. Yeah. Why do you want us put you down? I don't know you. What they talk? Like I won't believe I'm telling just not that dumb. And now I don't believe the allies. They talk this side by side. I don't think that I'm that dumb. And now I don't believe sparking and don't believe sparking and don't believe that I'm the massive distraction and they speaking about it. Don't believe the word they say. Got to say about you, mate. $1 rich on the money. Why do you want this world to down? Who are you? Red, gold and green. You wanna fade you red, white and blue. Why do you want our world but it's not to know and everybody wants to know. Thank you. Yeah, we're from Washington.